Hey guys, it's me, DM. Welcome to Archi Tutorials, where I will teach you how-to videos for your architecture plates. Ready your markers, because we will use it to render different textures and materials. We will start with marbles. Pumili muna ako ng mga color na gagamitin natin dito sa ginawa kong color swatches last time. Kung iba naman yung kulay na meron kayo, piliin nyo na lang yung shades of gray. Pero kung ito din yung markers na meron kayo, you can use this video as reference pag nagre-render kayo ng marbles. At ito na nga yung mga kulay na napili natin. Cool gray na number 9, black, green gray, at cool gray na number 5. Meron na din akong hinanda na papel dito. At nag-drawing na din ako ng 3 square because we will do 3 colors of marbles using these 4 colors of markers. Let's start with the first square. Gawin muna nating white lang yung marble. Gamitin naman natin itong green-gray or kahit anong light gray na meron kayo to draw a marble pattern. Let's use the broad tip first and draw squiggly lines. Then use the fine tip to draw more details. Kung mapapansin natin, ang marble patterns, meron siyang mas darker na lines. So, gagamitin natin ang fine tip nitong cool gray number 5 to draw dark lines. Susundan lang din natin yung pattern na ginawa natin kanina. We can stop there, or we can use a much darker color like this cool gray number 9 to define more details. Swatch ko lang dito sa baba yung mga ginamit nating kulay for this first marble. Meron tayong green-gray, cool gray na number 5, at cool gray na number 9. Next, gawin nating gray naman yung kulay ng marble. Ginamit ko uli itong green-gray, or you can use any light gray na meron kayo, and just fill lang yung buong square in one direction. Then, I use the same color and just randomly draw to create a unique pattern. Base kasi sa mga nakikita kong gray na marbles, may gradient siya, may light and darker, at yun yung gusto nating ma-achieve for this one. Gagamit naman tayo nitong white gel pen to create the marble pattern. Dahil pen to, mas finer yung lines. Katulad ng ginawa natin kanina sa unang square, na nauna nating nilagay yung light gray then dark shades for details, ganun din gagawin natin dito. Makikita nyo na dinadab ko lang using my fingers yung ginawa kong marble pattern para mas maging lighter yung register ng white gel pen. Then, papasadahan natin ulit yon with more defined details. At uulit-ulitin lang natin yung process na yon. Binalikan ko lang yung ibang part ng same color na ginamit natin kanina. So, ayun, swatch ko lang yung nag-iisang ginamit nating color for this marble, which is green-gray. And itong last naman, gagamitin natin itong black as the base color ng ating marble. I-fill lang uli natin yung buong square sa isang direction para malinis siyang tingnan. Gagamitin natin itong white gel pen to create the pattern. Katulad din ng ginawa natin kanina, pag nakaguhit na tayo ng line, i-dab lang natin agad yun habang basa pa yung white gel pen to create blended color. Then, papasadahan ulit natin yung pattern ng mas defined line. Uulit-ulitin lang natin yung ganong process hanggang sa makuha natin yung desirable outcome. At yun, swatch ko lang ulit yung color na ginamit natin, which is black. At ito na yung result. Kung nagustuhan mo ang tutorial na to, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow me on my social media accounts. Thank you for watching!